You're bad at this.
Grab it.
Don't throw it, please.
I didn't mean to do that. Alright. Good thing all this bubble wrap's here.
Yeah, good damn thing.
Good thing. You thought about it.
So I was like, I bet CJ's gonna shake this.
Yeah.
A whole shit ton. Try to guess what it is.
Oh. Hey. Oh, nice. That's what I... Yeah. That's the shit right there.
Am I the best girlfriend in the whole world, or what?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, and here's the last one.
What is this?
What is with it?
It's a box in a box.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the plugs for it, so I can use it.
You can plug it in the computer and there's a charger.